So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and graph negative slopes. So when graphing negative slopes, what we need to do is take a look at why they're negative. And the reason why they're negative is because of the negative sign in front of every x. Alright, so negative, negative, and negative. Alright? So the big idea is the slopes are negative when the negative sign appears. Appears in front of x, in front of x. So the slopes are negative when the negative sign appears in front of x. So notice these are all in front of the x. Okay, and the number is part of the x anyways. Alright, it's called the coefficient. But notice that all slopes are negative. Alright, starting with the red equation. We're going to go ahead and show our work here. So we got y equals negative 4x minus 3. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to start at negative 3. Okay, start on y-axis. Okay, so we're going to start on the y-axis at negative 3. So y-axis is going to go up and down, and we're going to find where negative 3 is. Up is positive, down is negative. So negative 3 is going to land right there. Alright, then the negative 4, we have to turn this into a fraction to have a slope, is going to be over positive 1. So negative means down, and positive on the bottom means right. So we're going to go down and right. So that's a 1. There we go. Alright, here we go. We're going to go down 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, and I'm running out of places. So we got to do something else. Alright, so what we can do is we can say negative 4 over positive 1 equals, we just switch to negative. Positive 4 over negative 1. Okay, as long as it's negative, it doesn't matter. So we're going to reverse this. Here we go. Positive 4 is going to be the up direction now. So instead of down, it's up. And instead of right, we are now going left. And again, the reason why we're doing this is we were running out of places on the graph. Okay, we want to go down 3, but they were asking us to go down 4. We can't do that. Alright, here we go. We're going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is on the graph. Very nice. And negative 1 to the left is going to land right there. And now we have a segment, a ray, and a line for graphing our negative slope. Okay, negative slopes always go to the left, okay? Positive slopes always go to the right, so we should have no positive slopes. Alright, blue equation. Let's take a look. We got y equals negative x plus 2. Y equals negative x plus 2. Alright, here we go. Positive 2. Start on the y-axis. Start on y-axis. Alright, here we go. Positive 2. So we're going to go up 2. 1, 2 lands right there. And we got to create our slope. So negative x, oh, they're talking about negative 1x over 1. So you got to add the 1s in there if they're not giving them to you. Alright, so positive 1 on the bottom is right. So remember, bottom is either left or right. Positive, we're going to go right. But negative on top is going to be down. Okay, so down negative 1. And the 1 on the bottom means right. So here we go. From the blue point, so again, don't start over. Start from where you left off. Okay, we're going to start on the positive 2. 1, 2, okay. Down 1, and to the right 1. And because they're really, really close together, you can do it multiple times. to get a straight line. Down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Or the opposite, up 1 over left, up 1 over left. Then eventually you'll see eventually where they start to cross. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and graph our blue line. Perfect. Alright, so the orange, the green, and the black equations are for you to graph. Take a look at your notes. That should help you out.